Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tacoma maintenance light. This light reminds you it is time for routine service, like an oil change. After your maintenance is complete, you can easily turn off this indicator yourself. We will cover 2 common methods to get your Tacoma's dashboard clear and ready for many more miles. For many Tacoma models, the odometer button method is straightforward. First, ensure your ignition is completely off. Next, locate and press the trip meter reset button, holding it down firmly. While still holding the button, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Continue holding the button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the maintenance light turns off or the odometer displays zeros. Newer Tacoma models often use the multi-information display for resetting. Begin by turning your ignition to on without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Scroll down to find Vehicle Settings or Maintenance Reset and select it. Follow the prompts to confirm the reset, typically by selecting Yes. After performing either reset method, it is important to confirm success. Turn your ignition completely off, then restart your Tacoma. Observe your dashboard, the maintenance light should now be off. If the light remains illuminated, simply repeat the steps for your specific model. You have successfully reset your maintenance reminder and are good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.